Hi, in this video I am going to discuss something very unique which many people are not aware of. That's how to create a dynamic chart with the help of Excel camera. So let's look into it. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the file section and go to options and go to then quick access toolbar, go to all commands, okay, and there will be a section over here which is called, just a second, which is called camera. So select on this and then you press add. Okay, so it's saying I already have camera over here, so I'll press OK. Right now what needs to be done is that so say I have created a table and a chart, and I want that whenever I am making any modification, the chart gets automatically updated in a separate sheet, right? So what needs to be done? So what you have to do, you have to take the cell over here and then go one step down, then press shift key and the down arrow to select the chart. Okay, now we have selected the entire chart. Now we go to camera over here and say we go to a new sheet and just a second. So we have selected this, we have taken this. Now you'll see a sort of a plus sign out here, and you take it to another sheet where you want the image to come up, and see the image has come up over here, right? So this is how you can make use of the Excel camera feature. So now suppose if you make change in the figure, say it was 50 for salesperson C in the north region, and I make it to say 30. Okay, let's see whether the change getting displayed. See, for north section for C salesperson, the figure has come down to 30, right? So there is a very good feature. So likewise, if you have different charts of different purpose, right, you can create a sort of a dashboard, so that if you are making change in one sheet, it automatically gets reflected in all the sheets. So this is a very good feature that has been placed by Excel, and I think you will be loving this feature, right? Thanks a lot.